Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Git for Windows installed and Git Bash available. Once done, open Git Bash in the folder where you want the project. Make sure you understand whether you'll use HTTPS or SSH for the repo URL. Type Git version to verify. Then copy the repository URL from the host. Now you're ready to run the first command. This initiates a local copy and creates the necessary Git metadata so your machine tracks the project history. You execute git clone with the repository URL and optional target folder. For example, git clone https://host/org/repo, git or git clone git at host org/repo, git if you prefer SSH. If you include a folder name, git clones into that directory, otherwise it uses the repo name. During clone, Git downloads objects and sets up branches. If prompted, provide credentials, or make sure your SSH agent has your key loaded. Once the transfer finishes, you finish by changing into the clone directory and running git status to confirm branch and workspace state. If the clone was slow or failed due to size, use a shallow clone with depth 1 to get a lightweight copy quickly. If authentication fails, recheck SSH keys are added to your agent or that your personal access token has the right scopes. Switching between HTTPS and SSH can resolve host-specific restrictions. Finally, retry the clone after fixing the credential or network issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.